Hi guys, today we are cooking ofako. Ofako is a traditional delicacy made from palm fruits that grows on trees like this, particularly in West Africa and some parts of Asia. This is a very lovely, tasty delicacy. You can eat it with rice, yam, or whatever you have. I'm going to be showing you how to make it at home. Because I live in the UK, I'm going to be using the palm nut concentrate. I'm also going to be using some beef and cow foot. I have some African hard chicken, some red onion diced up, scent leaf, crayfish, my meat stock, and dry fish. So in a pot, you want to add your meat stock to it, and you're going to add the palm fruit concentrate. I bought this from an African store. You're just going to stir that around to loosen it up, and I'm going to add a little water to it. Next, I'm going to add my crayfish. This recipe calls for a lot of crayfish to it, and I'm going to add in my dry fish and some pepper, seasoning cube, and I'll cover it and let it simmer for a bit. When it's boiling at this stage, I'm going to add my protein. In goes my chicken, which I've previously cooked and well seasoned. I'm going to add my beef and the cow food. You can get all these ingredients from your local African store, and that's where I got mine. I have one in my city. I'll add my red onion. I'll just cover it and let it boil. We want it to get to a stage where you can see the very oily part at the surface. One thing with this, it can sputter. I'll let you listen to the sound of this. Next, I will add my scent leaf. This is rehydrated scent leaf. You just add it in there. You can add as much as you like. I just like a little bit in my ofako, or you call it Banga Stew, whichever one you prefer. Ofako is the local Igbo language. Banga Stew is more commonly used in other parts of Nigeria. And look at that delicious ofako. You can serve this with rice. You can serve it with yam, plantain, whatever you have. Look at that, looking so yummy. Guys, if you've enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.